Starting off, you're basically going to form a triangle. So you're going to break a packet with your right hand and flip it over like this and grip it like this in your right hand, and you're going to break another packet with your middle and slide it down with your thumb and by clipping these two packets and join these corners to form a triangle. Now you're going to break the triangle by inserting your middle fingers near the top edge like this and holding it between your ring, middle and index with both of your hands and extend outwards to form a triangle like this. Now you're going to disconnect your left hand like this from the top packet and insert your middle at the corner of your left packet like this, and you're going to push the packet in your right hand towards the edge like this, and use your left hand near the edge and push it down so it flips over, and push your right hand upwards so it completely lands flat on your left hand. Move your right middle inwards and it lands in your right hand, that packet. Now you're going to continue this loop again, gripping the top packet in the same grip as earlier and the left packet like as you gripped earlier, and you're going to flip 3 of the packets at the same time like this. This is in slow motion, so it doesn't really have the flow. Just watch as you're basically flipping 3 of the packets at the same time. Now you can close it by flipping the packet like so, and that's it.